it going, everybody? It's a boy back with another video today. We're doing another smashing video. Today's video is going to be a plastic hummingbird. You're probably asking where's the wings. Those have already been broken out in the past. They're right here. They were just laying with the freaking thing. So when I first got it, it probably smashed. Okay, this, you guys are going to need gloves and a face mask because this is made out of glass and this can cut you. Do not try this at home. So let's cut right to the chase. Alright, you guys, I'm wearing this Gucci mask. Don't tell me that's not Gucci. But I'm going to have to bring this down because I do not want glass flying in my face. Do not try this at home. I do not recommend it at all. So let's get right to it. Alright, now this is the part that I realized. Okay, sorry, voiceover, but this is the part that I realized that was very stupid. And why am I smashing something glass without gloves or goggles or something to protect my face? Real smart, Damon. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna put gloves on right now. So here we go. Got the gloves on, got the mask on. Oh, yo, you guys do not know how scared I am. First, we're gonna start off with a wing, just a freaking wing. Oh God! You guys, right there is the little tiny wing. So, let's get it. Ooh, you see, guys? That went flying. Yo, it's stuck to the floor. Yo, that was weird. Let me see how this feels. It feels like Skittles, bro. Look, that is a glass. That can cut you. So, all the other of it went splot. Splot, mate. Just exactly splot. Oh, I have to do the other wing now. I don't want to do it. Here we go. Do not try this at home. That went freaking flying, yo. Oh shoot, that was a bad idea. That fell in my dog's food, but I got it out. Don't worry, you guys. Just like. Ooh, that went flying towards me. Oh my gosh, you guys. Well, taking the mask off now. And the gloves. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys. Looks like somebody just swerved. Going to be smashing this hummingbird, so here we go. Oh, yo, oh my. Alright, you guys, I honestly got really scared, but nothing happened to me, don't worry. It did nothing. It freaking did nothing. So I'm just gonna go for the beak. Actually, no. Oh, the beak flew off. I might get age restricted, so I'm gonna put my stuff back on. Again, you guys, do not try this at home. I smell something burning. Something's burning. Hold on. Mom, it smells like something's burning out here.
Look right here.
Oh.
The driveway. You know, like that house that always has that garage open.
Oh yeah.
They have like a bunch of smoke. See, I mean, you might want to see the smoke over there.
Oh, okay. You guys, I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. Guys, I have not cleaned this stuff up since the last video, so you can see in the last video the Dr. Dynamite came. I'm gonna try not to put my knees. I'm gonna try to not put my knees in this glass. I should not be sitting down, so I'm gonna stand up. Here we go. That did nothing. Oh, I stepped on glass. Holy moly. I broke his tail off, but I stepped on glass. Ah, that hurt my foot. Oh, yo. I should probably get on my knees. No, my knees is worse. Going right for the body. Boom. Oh, you guys okay? That almost freaking smashed you guys. No, the front body. Now, look at, it's just the little hummingbird's head with no beak. Man, we'll keep that. I'll give it away. I'll sign it. No, I'm just. Yo. That was freaking freaky. That almost flew. Here we go. Boom. Oh my god, yo, that hit my ankle. Yo, I'm cheesed, mate. I'm cheesed. Who else saw that? Comment if you saw it. Oh my gosh, why did I start this series? You guys comment if you guys saw that. Just freaking smash into my freaking shin. Oh, that cut. That's gonna start bleeding. You guys, yo, I'm cheesed. You guys, this is not clickbait. Honestly, replay the footage. Replay it on your freaking screen. Oh, yep, there's a little mark of where it flung. It flung and just smashed into my shin. Legit just smashed. The piece that smashed my shin was right here. Oh my gosh, that was rock freaking solid. Yo, that hurt so bad. This is the piece that smashed into my freaking. Here we go. Oh, yo, that almost hit you guys. Oh, it keeps hitting me. You guys, wear shoes. It almost hit you guys again. Oh, it almost hit me. Boom, 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 it's exploded. Oh, you guys, I'm done. I'm done. I'll do one more hit. One more. I'm taking my freaking. I'll hit this thing one more time. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Alright, you guys, this is the aftermath.